Hello and welcome to eFunnels. In this video tutorial, we're going to show you how to work with eFunnels, how to create unlimited websites and marketing funnels. So in your dashboard, you're going to see the step-by-step video tutorials this way, where you're going to find all the video tutorials full HD on how to work with eFunnels. We recommend you to see all the video tutorials in its corresponding order. Remember that eFunnel is going to give you for free professional autoresponder this way, and you're going to find all the video tutorials also in the dashboard. Again, this is a professional autoresponder and we're going to see a demo in a few minutes. So obviously with eFunnels, you're going to be able to create websites, landing pages, sales letters, video pages, countdown pages, and so on. So for example, we're going to load the OTO page and you will find a variety of this kind of templates ready to work. So we're going to choose this. I'm going to create page, and all these pages, all these templates are ready to work. Everything is editable, everything. Also, you can start playing around with these menus, these options. So you can click it, drag it, and drop it, and you will have frames ready to work with. You can add the autoresponder, or you can forward people to a specific page. You can duplicate this block, you can change the background image, you can select the background color, you can delete it, or you can move it this way. Also, everything is editable. If you can select any part of the content, you can edit, you can use this editor. This is a smart editor. So you can add header layout this way, and you can have it right here. You can locate these frames at any part of the layout. You can add counter layouts this way. You can add autoresponder layouts this way, and you click it. You're going to insert the autoresponder code, menus layout, content layout this way. I'm going to drag it and drop it. Then you got it. Everything is going to be responsive for smartphones and tablets. Do you want video layouts? You can add them this way. And then you got it. You can click it. You can close it. Do you want opt-in layouts? You can do it. You can drag and drop it this way. And now you can include your autoresponder this way too. HTML, only HTML, CSS, JavaScript. You can close it. You can add a description layout. This way, you can play around with all these designs. Do you need testimonial layout? You can drag it and drop it this way, and you can edit everything. Do you need payment button? You can drag it and drop it this way, and you can add it too. You can also add footer layout this way. Do you want to include YouTube videos as a background to your pages? You can do it so by clicking this option, drag it and drop it. You can edit everything. I'm going to add the YouTube URL. I'm going to paste it this way. I'm going to save it. Okay, I'm going to save my page. Now I'm going to see the preview of my page. This is the video background we just added to the page, and everything we added by using the drag and drop smart builder is now in this page. Everything. Did you want to add slider, dynamic slider? That's the easy part. You just need to go to this icon, drag it and drop it. Then you can select the images. I'm going to randomly choose 3 images. 1, 2, 3. I can choose as many images as I want. Save it. I'm going to save my page. I'm going to reload my testing page. And now I have created an automatic dynamic slider. So again, you can do this to all the templates, all the categories, but also you can create a page from scratch by using exactly what I just did. Everything is editable. Everything. Do you want to add a pop-up window to your pages? Either when visitors are going to visit that for the first time, or where they're going to leave the page? That's easy. I'm going to do it right away. I'm going to click this option. I'm going to select the pop-up offer. I'm going to click it. I'm going to save it. I'm going to see it. And there we go. So I'm going to create a pop-up. When visitors are going to leave the page, I'm going to click it. I'm going to choose the option. Click it. Save it. I'm going to see it again. This is the page. I'm going to leave the page. There you go. You can create a customized thank you page to your pages. You can duplicate your pages. I'm going to do it right away. Click it. It creates a replica immediately. I'm going to save it. I'm going to go back to my pages, and I have a copy of that page. I can edit my pages. I can delete my pages. I can create a split testing of my pages. I can see the report of the split testing of my pages. I can share the pages to another eFunnels members. I can download my pages and install all those pages to my own server under my own domain name. So everything is for free. You can see all your pages, unlimited pages in eFunnels servers But also you can upload all those pages to your own server if you want to do it. Everything is going to be the same. Also, you can download a WordPress plugin to make all the eFunnels pages to be seen in your WordPress website. What about the surveys? Yes, you can create as many surveys as you want. You can edit the survey, you can insert more questions, you can customize the thank you page, you can see the stats of that survey. I'm going to click it. You have different reports, you can click it, you can see it, all the questions in order to improve your decision making or view the entire reports. So this way you're going to have full control of your information. You can also see the participants on that corresponding survey, view the answers per each participant, and view the entire reports. So finally, we're going to talk about the autoresponder I told you before, that has exclusive privilege for being an eFunnels member. You will have access to a professional autoresponder service. So we're going to click it in this button, and as you can see, you're going to get your professional autoresponder. You will be able to create campaigns, advanced features, manage your lists, manage your subscribers. So you're going to see some real examples. I'm going to click on lists. We have here different lists, as you can see. These are the number of subscribers of those corresponding lists. We're going to go to campaigns, and we have interesting conversion rates. So we're going to click on this. We have 44% click-through rate. I'm going to click it, and right here you can see all the stats of your corresponding lists, conversion rates or click-through rates, statistics. You can manage subscribers. You have different rules to manage your subscribers. So, long story short, with this autoresponder, you're going to have access to different features called behaviors, which is going to allow you to play around with all the rules in order to know exactly how to manage your subscribers and your campaigns, and much, much more. So again, this is only a brief summary of everything that you're going to get for being an eFunnels member. So finally, remember that eFunnel gives you the possibility to participate in the reseller program. eFunnels is going to give you the 45% monthly commissions when participating in this system. You can see all the information in this video tutorial. So you are in eFunnels, one of the best platforms you are going to find out to create marketing funnels and all kind of web pages. We are going to continue improving this platform in order to give you the best of the best.